Hi everyone! In my latest video you could see how I created this abstract illustration, and today I want to kind of continue within that style but go back to drawing these kind of bodies as well as the heads and the faces. So if you think why is this paper looking a bit more yellow, that's because it's the Tomoe River cream and this is the white, which I prefer by far, but I will be using and drawing on this paper today because I've got loads of it to finish off this insert. And yeah, so that's the only difference. And also actually this is the 52 GSM, which I realized is my favorite, and this is the 68, so that is the other point. I think today I will skip the commentary and I will just put some music to the process, and hopefully you will enjoy it. So keep on watching and see you at the end. Okay, so it's nice and dry now, but as the battery is running low, I'll have to hurry up to finish this video. So I had to go back in and draw the detail, the doodling of her bodysuit, simply because this is not a water proof ink. And the illustration I've done here, which is perfect, is this pen right here, I believe. And it you know, you completely can go with watercolor over it. The thing that's left to do is just to finish it off with a few kind of details, and that's the warm grey in 2. As you know, I've been loving it for highlight rather than the white, because it's a lot softer. And then I'll take the Payne's grey, which is the same as the watercolor, and I'm just going to do a little bit of shading just on the one side of her bodysuit, so that it creates some dimension. But really, you don't have to do this. This is just an extra step. So that's that. I might add a little bit of it just in here. I'm trying to be quite careful because I don't want to lose the lovely watercolor. So I'm just adding it quite sparingly. And then let's see her eyes. I want them to pop more, which always works the best with Polychromos black pencil. It just makes them instantly pop. And that's it. I'm going to go in and do some doodles. Like so. Maybe a little bit here. Again, I'm trying to use areas that won't cover up this beautiful watercolor effects that we already have. I like to do the black and the white beside each other. Kind of makes it look a bit more interesting for me. So, and I might just do a single black just in this corner, and maybe a little bit here, just a small one. And actually I do want the white there as well. I'll switch it up, put it this side this time. And to finish off completely, I'm just going to do these scribbly marks like so in 3 areas. I hope you could see that. Sorry if you didn't. And then just going to add some water on top. So this is the graphite that will move when you apply water, and it just adds that bit of interest. And that is the Caran 3B graphite, which is water soluble. And that is my lady. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.